The beautiful Texan gym that is home to the beloved sports teams, the Astros and the Texans, the NASA Johnson Space Center, and the city that gave us Beyonce, is unfortunately lost in smog. Just breathing in Houston is dangerous to your health. The 2+ million residents of Houston, Texas are crying and dying for help. Houston is suffering from particulate pollution in the air and ground level ozone, otherwise known as smog. EPA figures show that 48% of this pollution came from cars and trucks, 20% from oil and gas production and refining, 13% from industrial sources, and 9% is generated through electricity use. The destruction of the ozone layer, which protects Earth from harmful solar radiation, and the contamination of Earth's atmosphere allows for a trapping of heat and climate change. The ozone layer is depleted by certain chemicals, primarily chlorofluorocarbons, that rise to the top of the atmosphere and break down the ozone layer. This leads to increases in human diseases and disruption in plant and animal life. The thinning of the ozone layer combined with the contamination of Earth's atmosphere has diminished the air quality in Houston, Texas, subjecting its residents and visitors to an array of serious health concerns. So what can we do to reduce pollution over the next 10 years and save the lives of visitors and residents of Houston, Texas? Conserve energy. Turn your lights, televisions, and other appliances off when they're not being used. Drive less. Walk, ride a bike, carpool, or take public transportation. When driving, drive smart. Don't idle and drive a fuel-efficient car. Contact your congressman and make sure your voice and concerns are heard. Your senators and representatives have a say in the environmental laws and regulations. Pollution is not a product of a powerful nation. It's not a fact of reality that we must accept. It is a weakness. It's a burden to the nation's citizens and threatens their health and livelihood. If we take action, we can do our part to restore the beauty, cleanliness, and safety of Houston, Texas, and reduce pollution over the next 10 years.